1046 La Ventana Court is a spacious and move-in ready 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo. It features a large master suite, open living room and dining room floor plan that overlooks stunning mountain views and the Lake San Marcos community, a hidden gem located in the heart of North San Diego County. This sought-after, freshly painted second-story unit offers endless potential. It also includes in-unit laundry, extra storage, and lots of parking. Live the lake life with a quick walk, run, or bike to the endless amenities this resort-style community has to offer. Fill your days with activities you love, staying active, relaxing, and soaking in the sun. Make memories, maybe even take a gondola ride, and be sure to check out Decoy to enjoy a refreshing drink or a decadent meal. Lake San Marcos has something for everyone. Come see for yourself today.